Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So not many stocks have been holding up pretty strong, but Lucid Motors has been continuing on up. We did go over them yesterday. I'm going to go over them again today. What exact levels are we trying to hold above to make sure we do continue this momentum? Which exact indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation going to next week? And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more entries and breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's run this one. So I'm going to go over Lucid Motors with you guys here on the forward chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly which indicators are going to give us confirmation on a continuation from here. Again, breaking into new highs from last week. However, we did have a choppy day today. Does that mean that we're possibly breaking into new highs because we had a choppy day and Lucid Motors has been one of the very few stocks that has been running? Which exact indicators are going to give us confirmation on this continuation from here? But before I do get started, I want to mention that we do alert breakout alerts of the day. We mentioned FATBB, a very risky play that we did have as a major breakout the day before. Halted at $14 yesterday, jumping all up to $24 on the day, over 50% on that breakout. And we also mentioned RWK yesterday in after hours at $1.40. Did continue on into today in pre-market, all the way up to $2.40, over 50% on that breakout. And the largest breakout that we saw of the week was EVAX going to extended hours at $15, jumping all up to $50 going to extended hours, over 200% on that breakout. So if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert of the day again. So as you guys can see here on Lucid Motors, again, we did have that major spike all the way up to about $65 when we were cciv. Again, that was the SPAC, Churchill Capital, before Lucid Motors did go public. And as you guys can see, recently we did have this major spike. We do have the 20-ring average crossing by the 50 here. Now we are breaking just over $40 right before going to extended hours. Now looking to see if we can hold that $40 mark. What will give us confirmation to continue to hold this $40 mark is what I want to make sure we do go over with you guys, because if we can hold $40, then we could have a major gap up to 53.81 where we previously did have our rejection to the downside here. Now to get that confirmation that we're looking for here at this $40 level is to look over at the MACD here. As you guys can see, we have our buy pressure. Now looking to see if we can get confirmation. As you guys can see, we did mention yesterday that we did have our decrease in buy pressure. We're looking just for an increase in buy pressure going today, which gave us that continuation up. You guys do remember yesterday's video. But however, making sure we do get confirmation above our previous buy pressure point is very key for us. If we do not break above this previous buy pressure point, then we could get rejections to the upside. Now we're looking for that continuation with that buy pressure, and making sure we do break above our previous buy pressure point to get that confirmation on that gap up is exactly what we're looking for here. So again, we do like that major spike that we did have with Lucid Motors. We did like that continuation today as we did get that increase in buy pressure, but to get that confirmation on that gap up is to break above our previous buy pressure point here. And to set that alert here, if you do want to set that alert here on TradingView, and again, one thing I really like about TradingView is that it could text you if you guys don't want to watch the market. You want to be alerted exactly at very key levels here, then I would be setting my alerts here on TradingView. You go over the plus sign here on the MACD, you click add alert, and you could put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point, so that way if it does break above it, then you will have confirmation on that gap up here on Lucid Motors. But again, I do like how we got that increase in buy pressure. We did break above our previous buy pressure point that we were looking for from yesterday, and now looking to see if we can get confirmation above our previous momentum that we had on that original spike here on Lucid Motors. If we do not break above that previous buy pressure point, then we could continue on up, but however, we will get rejected at some point before that 53.81 mark, possibly exactly at $50. We'll see what happens here. But again, if we do get that increase in buy pressure and we do not break above our previous buy pressure point, then we will not complete that gap up, in my opinion, up to 53.81. Now, one thing I really do like about Lucid Motors compared to many other stocks is that we do have the EMA lines extremely high here and above the MACD, and also did break out in the beginning of the MACD. As you guys can see, we broke out in the middle of the MACD. Previously, we did not have that continuation, but however, we did break out in the beginning of this MACD, showing us that we still could continue. So again, Lucid Motors will be on the watch with that said, and to get that major squeeze is to break above our previous major buy pressure point that we did have with Churchill Capital against cciv before Lucid Motors did go public here. Did have this major buy pressure point come in, looking to see if we can continue on past that momentum here on Lucid Motors to get that major squeeze play that we're looking for to break over the $65 level that we did come up to and got rejected from when we were cciv. So again, if you want to see all of my daily breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert that day. Again, everybody that has been coming over and supporting the channel, all of the instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help us refine it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.